7 raised to the power 1 plus s plus 7 raised to the power 1 minus s is equal to 50. What is the value of s? Solution. We have the given equation. 7 raised to the power 1 plus s plus 7 raised to the power 1 minus s is equal to 50. Then remember, if you have a raised to the power n plus m, this is equal to a raised to the power n multiplied by a raised to the power m. Now we have 7 raised to the power 1 multiplied by 7 raised to the power s plus 7 raised to the power 1 multiplied by 7 raised to the power minus x is equal to 50. Now this is 7 raised to the power 1 times 7 raised to the power s. We have 7 multiplied by 7 raised to the power s plus 7. This is minus x over 7 raised to the power s is equal to, now we have 7 multiplied by 7 raised to the power x plus 7 divided by 7 raised to the power s. Let's bring this 50 here. We have minus 50 is equal to 0. Now let 7 raised to the power s is equal to t. If that is the case, we have 7 multiplied by t plus 7 divided by t minus 50 is equal to 0. Now let's multiply all through by t. Then we have 7 t squared plus 7 minus 50t is equal to 0. That is what you get if you multiply all through by t. Now we have 7t squared minus 50t plus 7 is equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation, and we can solve this using either factorization method or quadratic general formula. But in this case, we're going to make use of factorization method. The coefficient of t squared here is 7. We have the coefficient of t here is minus 50, and the constant is 7. If you multiply this 7 by this 7, it's going to be 49. Then we look for two numbers so that the product will give 49 and the sum will give minus 50. Now we have 7t squared minus 49t minus t plus 7 is equal to 0, because minus 49 times minus 1 is going to give you plus 49. Then minus 49 minus 1, that is minus 50. So we have 7t into t minus 7 minus 1 into t minus 7 is equal to 0. Now 7t here minus 1 here. We have t minus 7 here, t minus 7 here. Now this is t minus 7 multiplied by 7t minus 1 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. T minus 7 is equal to 0, or 7t minus 1 is equal to 0. from here, t is equal to 7. Let's call this t1. Also, from the second case here, 7t minus 1 is equal to 0. Then 7t is equal to 1. Now, let's divide both sides by 7. Divide by 7, divided by 7. Now, t is equal to 1 over 7. That is our t2. Now, our t1 is equal to 7 and t2 is equal to 1 over 7. But 7 raised to the power s is equal to t. Now, we have 7 raised to the power s is equal to, at t1 is equal to 7. 7 raised to the power 1s is equal to 7. Yes. 7 raised to the power s is equal to 7 raised to the power 1. They have the same base. S is equal to 1. That is the first value of x. Also, at t2 is equal to 1 over 7, we have 7 raised to the power s is equal to 1 over 7. Now, 7 raised to the power s is equal to 7 raised to the power minus 1. Now, they have the same base. S is equal to minus 1. That is the second value of x. Therefore, the value of x are s is equal to minus 1 and 1. That is our final answer. We can check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. Let's check. We have the given equation 7 raised to the power 1 plus s plus 7 raised to the power 1 minus s is equal to 50. At s is equal to 1. Now we have 7 raised to the power 1 plus 1 plus 7 raised to the power 1 minus 1 must be equal to 50. Now this is 7 squared plus 7 raised to the power 0 must be equal to what? 50. 7 squared is 49 plus 7 raised to the power 0 is 1. This is equal to 50, which satisfies the given equation at s is equal to 1. Let's check at s is equal to minus 1. At s is equal to minus 1. Now we have 7 raised to the power 1 plus s plus 7 raised to the power 1 minus s is equal to what? 50. At s equal to minus 1. Now we have 7 raised to the power 1 minus 1 plus 7 raised to the power 1 minus into minus 1 must be equal to what? 50. Then if you check very well, this is 7 raised to the power 0 plus 7 squared must be equal to what? 50. And remember, this is 1 plus 49. And if you see, this is 1 plus 49, which is equal to 50, which satisfies the equation at s is equal to what? Minus 1.